What is acceptable to kill and eat in Jamaica? Why are we disrespecting other people's culture? Hello, everyone. It's Skywalker. On TVJ this morning, I saw them filming a nation person slaughtering a dog for food and wondered why that had to be on TV. Obviously, we had a cultural bleep that needs to be fixed without prejudicing anyone. The authorities will need to fix it fair and square. That's all it is, isn't it? But people that had the demeanor of holier than thou Moses were commenting with a disdainful, punitive ear that I didn't like, and none of what they said had an ounce of respectful or sensitive value regarding culture, or at least the heart to see the problem that may have caused this to happen. We are not the only culture on earth, just like Asians are not the only people that kill animals to eat. The problem is we invite them here and then tell them we did not invite their culture with them. That is some amount of crap now, isn't it? Arrogance is not always kosher. We must know that by now if we are adults. Why always try to solve our differences and even superficial ones with insults, embarrassments, and disdain every time Jamaica? Why? Everyone's culture is good to him. I lived in America for years, and my friend from the Philippines always told me how cat sandwich was his favorite food. No, I don't eat cats. I don't even eat meat at that. But I know it is his culture and I respect that. Many people don't eat animal intestines, but Jamaicans do, isn't it? In today's increasingly multicultural world, it's essential to approach cultural differences with empathy and respect. I saw this on the news this morning and I am trying to understand the motive for that insensitive attack on the other person's culture. If it had nothing to do with morality, then it should not have been done in that broad, arrogant, and embarrassing way. It's something to go back to the drawing board and brainstorm about, not something to sit on a high horse to look down your nose about, embarrassing other people in their culture and expecting kudos and national hero status for it. Oh, you just caught a dog eater, right? So what? Hog tribe is food, right? To you. Hog tribe is food to you, even if it's riddled with worms, isn't it? Jamaicans, we must be sensitive humans, or otherwise, what are we? A controversy arises in Jamaica when an Asian man was seen slaughtering a dog for food, although we knew for years that it is a part of their diet. Why, after so many years, are we having a problem? We are intelligent beings as humans. We can find amicable solutions without eating dogs ourselves. Huh? Isn't it? Why the prejudice and disdain? For what? I don't even know because there's not even the difference. The only difference is that it's two separate cultures. This incident highlights the need for a deeper understanding of cultural practices and the importance of fostering mutual respect. I mean, mutual respect. And by the way, We should be more worried about all these stray dogs, sometimes large numbers of them, attacking people going about their business all over Jamaica. Maybe it will get so bad that the government will have to start asking people to eat them. As someone who loves animals and believes in treating them with kindness, treat them kindly. I understand the strong emotions that arise when we see animals being harmed. However, it was not about that because Jamaicans kill for food too. I see them all the time. And they are very insensitive when doing so. They will make that animal suffer without killing it quickly at times, and they have no feelings about it. I have seen it. I don't eat our own animals, but they visit me a lot. And there are dogs where I live. They make good friends, but so do goats, pigs, and other animals too. Even turkeys and fowls make good friends. You call them pets because you claim you own them. However, I recognize the hypocrisy in condemning someone for eating dogs while we continue to consume goats, rabbits, and cows. Animals that are even more innocent. I mean, they don't kill other animals to eat. Huh? Our goat is innocent. In many cultures, dogs are seen as pets and companions, while in others, they are considered a source of food. It's simply that. It's a matter of choice. It's not even wrong or right. This cultural difference should not be a cause for discrimination. Instead, we should engage in respectful conversations and find common ground. It's crucial to establish guidelines that allow immigrants to maintain their cultural practices while respecting local customs. Yeah? It should not be solved in an embarrassing and disdainful public squabble. Marginalizing someone for their food choices can lead to feelings of exclusion and alienation. We must create an environment where people from different backgrounds can thrive and maintain important aspects of their culture. For example, Jamaicans have introduced Callaloo to America and it has been embraced and loved by many. This mutual respect and willingness to learn from each other can create a more inclusive and harmonious society, right? And this is not saying that since they have a culture of eating maybe dogs and cats, we have to embrace it too. Sure, they have brought so many things that we have embraced, right? And they have brought these bridges and highways, haven't they? Things that we couldn't do for our damn selves. The Chinese are quiet and discreet people. We do not have to go hunting for dog eaters. We have better things to damn well do. They do well for themselves without trying to pour scorn on our culture. Jamaicans don't eat dogs, don't have to include it in their diet just because the Chinese has it in their own culture. It's not a wrong or right thing. It's just a culture. And you don't have to be bothered by it either. So what's the problem? Be bothered by the real problems in our society. Promoting understanding and respect for different cultural practices is essential. By celebrating our diversity and honoring our shared humanity, we can build a world where everyone feels valued and understanding. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.